Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on sharp curve alerts in Waze. So Waze can warn you about sharp curves along your route, helping you prepare for sudden changes in direction and adjust your speed when necessary. So to check your curve alerts settings, you will need to first open Waze on your phone and tap the Waze menu or your profile icon that's located at the top left corner right here. And then just go with the settings, the option that you can find at the middle of all of these options. So it's the third one. And now just go with the alerts and reports, right? So it's an option inside the driving preferences section. It's the fourth one, or it's on the middle. And now I do really want you to go with the reports right here. So it's the option at the top, and here you will find yourself inside multiple options. So all you need to do is to go to the road features. So it's the second option. So now you will find at the top the railroad crossing tool, both and speed bump, sharp curve, right? So we are talking about the sharp curve on that video. So just go ahead and tap the option here, and then go with alerts while driving. And why not show on the map, since that not useless, right? So it's very useful to find or to have that one on your map, right? So actually guys, you will need just to go, as I said, to the alerts and reports. Go with reports at the top, go with road features, and then find sharp curve. Go ahead and tap on it, and then go with show on map. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.